Like a flower, you are blooming in your own time. You don't need to rush, you don't need to compete. The world may not see the quiet strength inside you, but every challenge you have survived has watered your roots and made you stronger than you realize. Flowers do not bloom all year. They rest, they heal, they gather strength. And so should you. Your slow days do not mean failure. They are simply preparing you for your season of growth. Life may pull your petals apart. The winds may shake you, but still you rise. Still you open. Still you find your way toward the light, even if it is just a small ray of hope. Trust your journey, trust your timing, trust that the universe is shaping you quietly, gently, beautifully. Because one day you will bloom in a way that even you didn't expect. You are not behind, you are not broken, you are becoming, and every moment of your life, even the painful ones, is helping you blossom into the strongest, softest, most radiant version of yourself.